Hello everyone, this is Name with Family Travel Africa and my favorite three little ones. Say or Tsume. And true story, we went one morning to one of our favorite bakery donut shops and we asked for a Danish. And unfortunately they said we don't have any of those. And of course I started thinking, we should try to make some danishes. So Azza, and I guess Tse are gonna help. We're gonna use some puff pastry. We found this super quick and easy recipe and we are excited to share it with you. So we're gonna make some cheese Danish with berries. Yeah, some fruit.
But we can't find the berries.
Oh, we have the berries. And so, coming right up, Azza, and Tse.
Stay tuned for the video.
Stay tuned. So this recipe we got from Natasha's Kitchen. And Azza and Azza are going to introduce our ingredients. We've got some puff pastry. Yeah.
Lemon.
We've got some lemon. We're going to use the zest. Yes. We've got one egg at room temperature.
And
Vanilla. Some granulated sugar. Lots of it. You see the bag here.
And cream cheese.
And cream cheese. And so we're going to start out with our filling. And then we will go ahead and roll out our puff pastry and make our danishes. Okay, so we're gonna get started with our cream cheese.
Who's gonna do it?
And who wants to, you wanna open it up? Oh, I'm just ripping it out. This is like softened to room temperature, so it's super easy if you want to. Just kind of open it at the seams. And then we're going to cream it with our sugar. So there's your cream cheese, super soft there, right? I'm gonna put it in the pan.
So wet.
Wet! I say soft, you say wet. Okay, I'm gonna bring it closer to Azeh. I'm gonna clean everything off of that. Don't worry, you'll get to do it too. The puff pastry gives you a lot of
energy,
time to work on it. Okay, so now we're gonna mix this with a 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 egg yolk.
Wow.
So we've got our 1/4 cup of sugar. And here it goes. And Azeh, you want to put that on? Someone's here. Hang on, let's see. So hold on to it. Yep, just turn it on. Ta-da! Woo! Nice. So, Tse had to get in on it. So let's wait. We're gonna now add our egg yolk. These videos are something else. Tse wants to be part of this so badly. So I'm gonna take out the egg white so we can add the yolk. You'll get to do a whole lot, all of you. So here's our egg yolk. Taking all the white out. Egg yolk going in, up, and then you get a chance to turn it back on. You got this. Do it. Yep. Watch your fingers. You get to do it too. Don't worry, you'll get to do it too. Okay, so now we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And Azza's going to do that part. Or Azza, you want to do the lemon? You love lemon. Let's say do the vanilla extract. And Azza is going to do the lemon. So Tse, here you go. You're going to pour this in, right? Ooh, we put a whole ton.
Azza wanted to do the lemon.
All right, turn that in. Good job. Hang on a sec. We're gonna have to Thank you. There you go. Here you go. Good job. Go put in the sink. Put in the sink. Thank you. And now Azette is going to spin. Very good. All right, now Azza has the lemon zest. So Azza, you're gonna take a break and Azza's gonna come your way. Azza, you just wanna use this to get your, you have to do it over. So first we're gonna roll it on here, just so that it's soft, easy to do. Stop. Patient. If we had a zester, that would be nice, but we don't, so. And I don't want you to hurt yourself. Okay, so what are you gonna do? You gotta do it over this.
Okay.
Okay, so how about you do it this way? Okay, can you do that? Just like that. Okay, good job. Over it. Nice. So it's gonna be, when we're done with that, it's gonna be just about a teaspoon of lemon zest. Good job. It's gonna come. It's gonna come in your hand because of the way you're holding it. But that's okay. You've got to be careful, Azza, or Mama gets to help. Say, did you put your spoon in the sink?
No,
Have you put your spoon in the sink? Thank you. Let me see. Is it in your hand? Yes.
Nice spoon.
Good job. So just like that. All right, so now we've got that. We're gonna put this to the side. We're gonna mix this one last time. Okay. All right. I think we're ready to deal with our pastry. We already put the sugar in. Let's see what we've got for the pastry.
I used it first.
Okay, so we know we have a clean surface here. And we're going to flour it and we're going to get to roll our pastry out in just a second.
Yes.
So Azza, we've rolled out our puff pastry and we are going to cut it. The idea is to make it, if I cut it in 3, that's always a good starting point. So we want 12 of these. So I'm going to try to make it as even as I can because this is what we're going to use to twirl around and make our pastry. There we go. So Natasha has a trick to this with the puff pastry, and it means that we have to attach 2 ends. So you attach the 2 ends like so, okay? And then you're gonna twirl your ends. So can you do that, Azza? Can you make it twirly? So that it kind of folds on each other? See how Mama is twirling that? Can you make it twirly? Just like that. And once we've twirled it around, see how it's twirled? Then the idea is to fold it upon itself, like roll it around into the shape of a Danish. So we're going to use this as our base, and we're just going to roll. There it is. Are you checking it out? So you see how you just roll it together? See that? And so we're going to make it flat in the middle because that's where our filling is going to go, right? And then we pinch it on the ends so that we can seal it up. And that's what the first one kind of looks like. And we're going to do this 5 more times, so we'll have 6 out of these. All right? Check it out. this one so our ends go together. And then you twirl that end and I'll twirl this end. It's easy to twirl on the countertop. Doesn't matter the direction. You're doing great, Ezra. Down here. Here we go. Good job. Straight down the middle. Yeah. Now we're gonna do more here. 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna do 3 more cuts here. 1, 2, and 3. And so now I will show you what I had to show Azza, and you guys would be Danish master. So now Azza, you're gonna pinch 2 of these together, pinch the ends, right? Watch. And we're going to do a twirly thing, right? Gonna make it all twirly. It's all about the twirl. Loose twirls, right? Kind of like a rope. Same thing here. And then on this end, you start to bring it around like in a circle. Just do a loose circle, just like that. And press the middle down. This is not like the most perfect one, but I like the way it looks. Press the middle down because that's where our filling is going to go. And then we're going to put that on our baking pan. Okay? You want to do your twirls? Azza, you got these down. We're going to take these from you. Good job. And good job. All right, so Azza, can you come on down from your stool? Yeah, so we finished rolling our pastries, and as you can see, we have 12 of them, just as we, the way we cut. And so now we're going to put the filling in each of the wells. Which is mini good. Wells. Which is good. We created, and we're just going to spoon it in. So, just going to spoon that on. Hello. Hey, what? You'll get a chance. Trust me.
And I wanted to do the lemon.
You guys are putting the fruit on.
I wanted to do the lemon.
Do you get to put the fruit on?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I do it too?
Sure. I want you guys to be happy doing that.
You already did the food.
So what, you get to do it all?
Mm-hmm.
She doesn't get a chance anymore?
Mm-hmm. She did more than me.
Is it a competition?
Yes.
I don't think so. And then what we do is put our fruit on top.
But how about that one?
So go ahead and do that. You put the fruit in just about halfway. We'll get to that. So then as so maybe a couple blueberries. Those are cherries. We also have under here some strawberries.
Yummy.
Oh yeah.
Can we eat some?
When it's ready. Yeah, the strawberries, just put it in halfway. Okay, looks good. Danish look pretty awesome. Can you tell us what it tastes like?
It tastes like the frostings. It has the juices. And
The
it's
juices
so-
from the fruit.
And it's yummy.
Yummy.
Yeah,
Let's see your
like it.
brother picking off the fruit.
Yeah, he's nice. Yeah.
And you're having it with some tea?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Asa. Thanks for helping us make this.
Thank you too. I hope you like my video. Yes, you do. Subscribe.